What's going on, crypto world? It's Alex from Allen Time Crypto here again. So we are in November. It's looking a little iffy still, but I think that we should be okay. A lot of pundits out there saying that this is all coming to a sweet ceremonious ending. However, I don't think that's the case. I still think we have some time. Historically, November is the most bullish month for Bitcoin. So last year did about a 38%. Now, is it going to do it this year? I don't know. But I mean, it just seems that, a lot of the things that are going on have been generally just the opposite. October has normally been a bullish month. It was pretty bad. And September is normally a bearish month, and it was not that bad. So, I think we're being thrown a bit of a curveball this time around, but I think we just got to sit tight. I think everything will be answered by the end of this month. Listen, if it doesn't do anything significant by the end of the month, then I think the answer is there. Or it's the greatest shakeout slash fake out of all time. So I would just sit tight. If you are hodling, just continue to do so. Um, Basically, usually when we get to these points, what they're trying to do is just end everybody, make everyone doubt themselves, sell at a loss. And then you get to the point where, a lot of people are selling at a loss and they can track it. This is the thing with cryptos, that everything can be tracked. So you can tell if short-term holders are selling or long-term holders are selling. I mean, I think this is just basically to kind of, make the brain really second guess everything. And once you get to that point and you really start thinking, okay, maybe this is it, just sell, walk away, sure, take a loss and call it a day, that's when they send the market up. So, I mean, sit tight. In theory, we have hit the 4 year mark. There are a lot of people saying that, this is an extended cycle. They're talking about quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2026. I don't know about that. I say by the end of the year, we're going to know. Um, November, as I said, typically very bullish. We have started off relatively bearish. But, I mean, as I said, this is just I think it's the final shakeout. I think if you're holding, hold on. Trust me, I'm in the same boat. I got my bags packed since last year, and I have been feeling it. I mean, I went all in on crypto this time. I sold everything. I left my home country to do this, and I have been, to say the least. So, but we keep pushing on, and you know what? I've been in far worse situations, and I'm still here today to tell the story. So, all I'd say is, you're a crypto holder, keep an eye on the charts. I mean, it is looking relatively bearish, but your fear and greed index as well. It's, the fear is there. I mean, but you know what? That's when they get you. So you just got to keep it up. Hold on. I know this is tough and I know this is difficult. I mean, I'm feeling it right now. So, I mean, I just keep telling myself that, this is just the way the patterns are. This is just the way the charts are. This is just the way it works, especially in crypto, where they really try and sink you. So, I mean, ironically enough, all of the US indexes are just going up, 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 up. So, I mean, maybe this is done by design. But as I said, you know what? I don't think it's over. I think we still hold a chance. I mean, we are not under 100K for Bitcoin. That's usually the surefire indicator that it's all coming to an end. I would just sit tight at this point. November is very bullish. Um, I just think that, what, they're throwing us curveballs left, right, and center. So, I mean, hold on. I know this is tough. And as I said, join my community. It's free. I will help explain these things. I'll give you reasons as to why. I'll give you reasons, or I'll show you basically ways on how to kind of cope with this sort of thing. This is crypto. Crypto is just notorious for this. I mean, as long as you're investing in blue chip stuff that have a use case, a proper use case, you're normally okay. So I don't think it's over. I think you still hold on. And you know what? I say just, wait until the end of the year. That's what I'm going to do. I mean, I've normally been relatively okay with just hodling and just waiting and waiting and waiting. And, as I said, it's this is done by design. It's tough, but hang in there. So anyways, Island Time Crypto, join the community. We do weekly calls. We do all sorts of stuff. We are in our infancy stage, to say the least, but as I said, I will definitely help you out wherever you are. You can go to the range of, leverage, which I do not suggest if you are new, but leverage, trading, staking, liquidity providing, anything of that sort. I'll help you out. All the best.